Okay, good afternoon. This is 4F1 KJA, and I would like to introduce to you the ICOM IC-Alpha 110 airband radio by the Philippine Air Force. So, the previous problem of this radio, it doesn't have an output power on transmission. So right now it was already been restored, and at the same time this power supply has also a problem and generates a large form of vibration from the transformer. So we try to figure out to fix this transformer, and it was already been restored, and we have already rewind the transformer to eliminate the vibration. So as you can see, it's now reading for a 13.8. okay, and once it transmit, look at the ammeter. Okay, so it gives only a certain small amount of amperage. I think there's something wrong with the ampere meterage. Okay, let's go back to the radio. The ICOM IC-Alpha 110 airband, according to the specification of the service manual, it transmits only 10 watts. But during I replaced the necessary parts for transmission, okay, I adjusted a little bit to 12 watts. Constant modulation on AM band. Take note that this is not an FM but an AM band on the air band. So here it is. So we'll test now. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Okay, so to verify the power, so here we are, a power meter on the side. So look at the meter. 1 2. On full transmission, going with modulation, going to 15 watts. Okay, so here it is. So this radio already been restored together with the power supply. Okay, so if you have any comment and suggestion, please do not hesitate to inquire on this Facebook account. So this is 4F1 KJA signing off. 73.